Well, hello everybody, and this is our very last day at
Bonterra
Park.
Benicassim.
So
we're off to somewhere.
We're on our final pack up.
Yeah, we are so excited.
Electricity meter's been read, so
Yep.
we've got once we've packed up, we're going to go down, get it all paid up, and then just drive out. So
we'll let you know how the final cost, so you can estimate for yourself if you'd like to come here.
If we move out of the way of the camera, you can see all the things that we've still got. Let's move you down a bit. So over here we've got chairs and tables that will go into the cupboard just there, and then we've got all those horrendous electrical cables. I've still got 3 of those, and one of those, when I get back to England, Guy, one of those is yours. just let me know your address on the messaging, and I'll post it to you. Or drop it by maybe. So we've got the bits and pieces there, and we've got one bike in the garage already. We've got the new Quest gazebo in the garage, and that is, well, I'm just going to take you across and show you that, actually, show you how I've done that. Sorry for the wibbly wobbly shaky camera as I walk across, but here we are. So we've got one bike in there, and you can see there's quite a lot of space still, and we've got the Quest gazebo up here. And what I've done is I've bungee tied that to the ladder, and the ladder's over this side unusually. So we've got this bike to go in, that the wet box there with our water hoses and so on, that will fit in there somewhere alongside the bike, and then all of this other stuff here, the levelling ramps, my drill, my drill set, my drill bit set, my little tool bag, and the Super Guard bag, which this will actually go eventually because it's becoming more empty as the bottles run out. These bottles are thing. That one's a wheel cleaner which we used yesterday. As they run out, we're throwing them away, and then the bag will be useless. So that all fits in around the other side. There's the box of tent pegs, or the tie down pegs. So it might be a bit of a squash to get in, but I think we're going to manage it. Let's just get you back on the. There you go, back on the tripod there.
Yep, good.
So that's pretty much what we're doing. There's a little bit of tidying up on the inside, and of course, some sharp-eyed viewers might have noticed just there. Still got the silver screens on, but they actually fit in the little side cupboard. Just by the door there's the side cupboard, that one there. Oh yes, it's that one there. That side cupboard there is takes the 2 chairs that you can see, the 2 chairs there, and the 2 little tables. And you might notice an Apple laptop computer, but let me check.
Yes. You'll be very pleased when you see this. At long last, after.
Sorry. Yeah. This is the 17-inch Mac laptop that I wasn't throwing away, only because it had a hard drive in it, and from the bottom you could only take the battery out, and there was no access to the hard drive. So I had to take all the screws out from the side, and then lever up the keyboard and get to the hard drive space inside.
Look at that.
Yeah, hold that and I can show them. this is
quite interesting, really. I've never seen that.
this is the inside.
Yeah.
Oh, hello. This is the inside of a Mac laptop, and that bit at the top there is where the hard drive sat. It was a 320 gigabyte hard drive, so I've taken that out, and actually I bought on eBay a little 3.5 inch drive enclosure, so I can take drives in and out of there to clear them down and use them if I need to. So, and I've got 2 or 3 500, 320 gig hard drives, so we'll tend to use that to store stuff on, although I have cleared a lot of stuff away recently. But that apparently very, very recyclable, so that will just go straight in a bin. Yeah, there you go. Made of, weirdly, the outside case is not moulded, it's actually whittled out of a solid block of aluminium. That's how they do it. They get a block of aluminium like that size, and then they use a machine cutter to cut it out into the right shape and size. It's pretty good technology. Anyway, there you go.
That's it for the bin. Yeah, when we go down.
That's that. That's that, and that's us. We'll be travelling south, about 100 miles, 150 miles away. We're going to use the airs.
Yeah.
So it's a time of year when things are quite popular, I think.
Yes, yes.
So we might get to the first air we choose, and it might be full.
Yes.
Like the one down at Grow. If we went there for the last few weeks, it would have been full all the time.
We were a bit late getting there, we were, by the time we get going, so it might be. But we've
So-
got a B one, haven't
It
we?
might be full. Then we've got another one. So
Yeah.
first one's about 100 miles away. Next one's about 150 miles away.
So we see.
And then we might need to go somewhere else if
Yes.
that one's full as well, or somewhere else or somewhere else. So we're going to get going. As we record this, it's 10:37. 10:37.
Yeah.
So that's that. So we're going to get going. We'll be on the road by 12.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then we've got a couple of hours drive to
Yeah.
so we'll be sort of getting to an air about 2:30 maybe. We've got to do a bit of shopping.
Yeah.
We'll do shopping, fill up with gas.
Yeah.
Top up with diesel. We've got half a tank of diesel on board, so we're going to top up with diesel while we fill up with gas, and we'll be done.
We'll be
But
done,
that's it.
yes.
But we'll fill you in on where we land
Yeah.
tomorrow, or we'll fill you on where we land today.
Yes.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we will. Yeah.
That took a bit of working out.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's it. I've still got the sniffs. Drinking plenty.
Yeah.
And
we'll just show you, we're about the last ones to leave on the rally. We'll just turn you round, all right?
Yeah,
and
so-
say goodbye, but
Oh.
have a look. There's not many people left now.
oh, come round. Let's
Yeah.
say goodbye.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you.
And don't forget, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah.
But here's the emptiness that is Bonterra Park after a rally.